But today I think we got to deal with a global scratch, and that global scratch is surely having an impact on markets. It's not a bad start, guys. Hello. That's what I like about India. You fall and you recover fast. It's already in the green, a little bit of red and green here or there, but it's not like a scary fall. Sensex in green, small cap in green. The money with DIs is so large that if FI selling doesn't come, it's not going to break the back of the market. I want to look at Reliance. Why? Because that single-handedly broke the back of the market. Is Reliance bouncing back? Yes, sir. Not a very deep swell, but it's a good start nevertheless. HDFC Bank, L&T, Axis Bank. These are the stocks which really got hammered, so to speak, yesterday. What about some of those ranked trader favorites? I don't expect them to come back, but I'll mark them. Vodafone, Suzlon, Yes Bank. Let's look at them. I'll say in the same way. Vodafone, Suzlon, Yes Bank. They are not expected to bounce back because the selling yesterday was institutional. The selling yesterday was concentrated. These are the peripheries. These were the periphery stocks yesterday, and those periphery stocks are not really making a comeback. It is Reliance, HDFC Bank, L&T, ICICI Bank which really hold the key of market mood. But look at this, Aisha. I mean, we underperformed the market yesterday, global markets, and today looks like we may just, go against the global tide.
Yeah, seems to be the case. Although some of the global markets too have seen a meaningful recovery come by. But yeah, stocks in news this morning. Bajaj Housing Finance, they just came up with their second quarter update. Their new loans have seen an uptick of 14%. AUM has been higher by 29%. Look out for that. We've been talking about M&M and how well Thar Rocks has been perceived and reacted to by brokerages as well. They've registered bookings of 176,000 odd units in the first initial hour itself. 0.5% higher for M&M. That's making definitely a comeback. There's Varun Beverages as well, wherein Citi has initiated a buy with the target price of 800 rupees. So look out for that stock. Zomato, reports suggesting that Swiggy has upsized its OFS from the earlier 3750 crore rupees to now 5,000 crore rupees. Avenue Supermarts, a weak second quarter impacted by QCOM and slower store additions. And then, of course, Asian Paints, Apollo Tyres. Remember, yesterday too, they were ranked underperformers. By the way, it's 4,800 and on the brink of breaching that on Avenue Supermarts. Brent crude has jumped 8% in the month of October so far in just the last 4 trades. And now it's above the $77 per barrel mark. So OMCs, it was a vicious sell-off for BPCL yesterday too. Today too, it started off in the red, and even Asian Paints, Apollo Tyres. In fact, the entire paints and tires category that's bound to see some sentimental rub-off. HDFC Bank also just came out with its second quarter numbers, or update rather. So let's just look out for what that stock is currently doing. Their Q2 deposits have seen a jump up of 15%. Average liquidity ratio coverage was at about 12% or so, and Q2 advances have seen a decent growth of about 2.3% on a sequential basis, but still very, very tempered for HDFC Bank. Kunal, it is a tempered start, but the fear is that it may actually worsen, during the course of the day, or even change tide and become better from here. What do you think? What direction is the market going to take?
See, at least it should be a two-paced market. The first half is where the markets would probably want to just adjust to the leverage and risk positions, from the broker end. So I would probably believe that the first half an hour, 1 hour, or first couple of hours at least, the markets could remain under pressure. The only recovery which we are expecting, if it happens, should be in the second half, and that could probably be, at a point where, assuming the index takes support at the 25,000 mark in terms of the critical support point. In terms of opening trade, metal stocks is something which I continue to be bullish on from a medium to longer term play. And in that context, JSW Steel is a stock which I've been highlighting earlier, continue to remain into a buy mode.
All right.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.